In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to parse leads with the email parser in Zoho CRM. Email parsing is a powerful tool that allows you to automatically extract information from incoming emails and add this data directly into your CRM system, saving you time and increasing efficiency. We all know how vital it is to get accurate data into your CRM. This method helps you streamline that process. Let's get started by navigating to your Zoho CRM. Once you're logged in, you'll want to locate the Setup menu. Picture this as your grand central station for all the settings in Zoho CRM. You'll find this in the upper right corner of the interface. It's typically represented by a wrench or cog-like icon. Go ahead and give that a click. Now that we're in the Setup menu, the next step is to find the Email option. This is crucial because we're focusing on parsing emails, so it makes sense to head directly to this section. Once there, look out for the option that says Email Parser. This tool is our main focal point in achieving email leads parsing. Click on Email Parser and you'll be directed to the page where all the action will happen. Here comes the exciting part, getting started with your email parser. On the Email Parser page, click on the Get Started button. This action will guide you through setting up your parsing tasks. It's designed to be intuitive, so just follow along with the prompts. Clicking Get Started basically sets up the groundwork for us to start working with the tool. Next, you'll see an option titled Generate Now. When clicked, this will assist us in beginning the creation of our first email parser. It's a straightforward process aiming to take you step by step through a seamless experience. Pay close attention to the instructions Zoho provides during this phase, as they'll guide you in creating a parser that effectively suits your needs. After you've generated the basic setup, you'll be required to enter an email address. This is the address from which the parser will extract data. Make sure it's a dedicated address you want to use for parsing emails. Once you've typed in the email address, you'll need to click Add. This action essentially links the email to your parser configuration. Finally, click Save to ensure that all your settings and preferences are stored. Saving is key because it locks in the work you've done and ensures that your email parsing tasks can function accurately and consistently. By saving, you officially activate your parser, a simple but essential step that finalizes the setup. By following these instructions, you've just configured an email parser in Zoho CRM. This will help automate the process of entering leads, allowing you to focus on more strategic tasks that drive your business forward. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and remember to come back for more tips and tricks to maximize your Zoho CRM usage. Happy parsing!